Breakfast is often referred to as the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. It jump-starts our metabolism, provides the necessary fuel for our brain and body, and helps maintain stable energy levels throughout the morning. However, in our busy lives, we may find it challenging to prepare a nutritious breakfast every day. This video explores the significance of breakfast and offers a selection of quick and healthy breakfast ideas that not only save time but also set the stage for a successful day. Importance of breakfast. Breakfast is essential for several reasons. Metabolism kickstart. Eating breakfast helps kickstart your metabolism, allowing your body to burn calories more efficiently throughout the day. Energy boost. Breakfast provides the necessary energy to tackle daily activities, both physically and mentally. Improved concentration. A balanced breakfast enhances concentration, memory, and cognitive function, making it easier to focus on tasks and problem solving. Weight management. Contrary to the misconception that skipping breakfast aids weight loss, eating a healthy morning meal can help control your appetite and prevent overeating later in the day. Nutrient intake. Breakfast is an opportunity to consume essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protein. Quick and healthy breakfast ideas. Here are 10 quick and healthy breakfast ideas that not only save time but also provide the nutrition your body needs to start the day right. Overnight oats. Mix rolled oats with Greek yogurt or milk, add your choice of fruits, nuts, and honey, and let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. In the morning, you'll have a delicious, no-cook breakfast ready to enjoy. Overnight oats are a great source of whole grains, protein, and fiber, making them an ideal choice for a healthy morning meal. Smoothie bowls. Blend your favorite fruits, spinach, yogurt, and a spoonful of nut butter into a creamy smoothie. Top it with granola, chia seeds, and more fruits for a nutrient-rich and colorful bowl. Smoothie bowls are an excellent way to incorporate a variety of fruits and vegetables into your diet while keeping the preparation time to a minimum. Avocado toast. Spread ripe avocado on whole grain toast and sprinkle it with salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. Add a poached or fried egg on top for extra protein. Avocado toast is a delicious combination of healthy fats, fiber, and protein, offering a satisfying and nutrient-packed breakfast. Chia pudding. Combine chia seeds, almond milk, and a touch of honey in a jar, then refrigerate it overnight. In the morning, top it with berries, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. Chia pudding is rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, making it an excellent choice for a quick and healthy breakfast. Yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with granola and fresh berries in a glass or jar for a visually appealing and protein-packed breakfast. Yogurt parfaits provide probiotics, protein, and a burst of antioxidants, helping to support digestion and boost your morning energy. Egg muffins. Whisk eggs, your choice of vegetables, and a bit of cheese, then bake them in muffin tins. Make a batch at the beginning of the week for quick, preheatable breakfasts. Egg muffins are a protein-packed and customizable breakfast option that can be prepared in advance for a hassle-free morning. Peanut butter banana sandwich. Spread natural peanut butter on whole grain bread and add banana slices. It's a delicious, filling, and portable option that provides a combination of complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and potassium to fuel your morning. Breakfast burrito. Scramble eggs with vegetables and wrap the mixture in a whole wheat tortilla. Add salsa or hot sauce for extra flavor. Breakfast burritos are a convenient way to incorporate protein, vegetables, and whole grains into your morning routine, offering a satisfying and balanced breakfast. Fruit and nut butter roll-up. Spread almond or peanut butter on a whole grain tortilla, add slices of your favorite fruits, for example, apples or bananas, and roll it up. Fruit and nut butter roll-ups provide a balance of carbohydrates, healthy fats, and fiber to keep you full and energized. Homemade muesli. Combine rolled oats, nuts, seeds, and dried fruits in a jar. In the morning, add yogurt or milk for a quick, customizable muesli. Homemade muesli is a versatile breakfast option that allows you to control the ingredients and tailor it to your taste preferences, providing a combination of whole grains, protein, and fiber. A nutritious breakfast doesn't have to be time-consuming. These quick and healthy breakfast ideas are not only convenient but also packed with essential nutrients to support your overall well-being. By taking a few minutes to prepare and enjoy a balanced morning meal, you can set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Remember that a healthy breakfast is an investment in your health and productivity. It can help you achieve your daily tasks with focus, maintain stable energy levels, and support your overall well-being. Make it a daily habit to incorporate a nutritious breakfast into your routine, and you'll reap the benefits of a well-nourished start to your day, setting the stage for a healthier and more successful life.